Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this magnetic phone stand. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for reviews. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so here I have the magnetic phone stand. Absolutely love it. I've already been using this actually to create content myself. I like that it has the magnet right here. So this is actually what's going to grip on to your phone, that little magnet. And I like that it is adjustable. So as you can see, take a look. This is what it looks like, but you could go ahead and mold it to whatever way you want. And one of my favorite options is that it actually has a little tripod stand. So I'm going to kind of give you a closer look. So what you want to do, if you want to use the tripod, you want to go ahead and just slide these out. So you just go ahead and slide these out. And as you can see, it turns into a tripod. So there you go. Now you could use this on the go. This is perfect for travel when you're outdoors. Maybe you want to take this to the gym, you're creating content, use it in your kitchen, or just use it to create content anywhere. So I'm going to show you how it works. As you can see, you want to make sure that the magnet side is facing forward, and just like that, it grasps on to your phone. Take a look. The great thing about this tripod stand is that you could record vertically, or you could also record horizontally. Take a look at that. It is nice and sturdy. This is perfect for filming any kind of content. And it is great because you could actually take this on the go with you. Now, if your phone isn't MagSafe, don't worry because these are included. You could go ahead and peel these off and place them directly on the back of your phone. So now you have a MagSafe phone. I recently used this to record one of my short videos, and the video performed amazing. I'll go ahead and leave it here. It has over 15,000 views, all by using this and allowing me to use it by creating different angles. So I really like it. I really like how small and portable it is. You could just go ahead and fold it over once you're done using it. Just like that, it fits perfectly in a backpack. It fits perfectly in your purse. Super nice. Just like this, is so convenient to take on the go with you. So if you're a content creator or you've been looking for a small little stand just like this one, then definitely check this out. I'll go ahead and link it down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.